I need you guys to start using these 4 words behind me anytime you're practicing Arabic. Now, these 4 simple words will help you put together more complex sentences and help you sound like a native speaker. We're gonna learn them in the next 5 minutes. Yalla. مرحبا السلام عليكم كيف حالكم شو أخباركم. Hey, what's going on, what's good? Like I said, in this video we're going to be introducing 4 very simple words. Some of them are known as conjunctions, and conjunctions basically connect phrases or sentences together. Okay, starting off with the word for and. And is oo. Now keep in mind the pronunciation I'm giving you here is dialect pronunciation. Some of you might have studied Fusha or MSA before, and you might have learned wa. Now wa is correct, but it's in standard Arabic. In Levantine dialect and in so many other dialects, when we're talking in everyday life, we'll say oo, okay? Oo. Think of ooh la la. Now I know for French speakers this might be a little bit counterintuitive because oo means or in French. So if anybody has any recommendations or memorization techniques or anything to help fellow French speakers remember this, let us know in the comments. So oo, I'm teaching you how to sound like a native speaker, how we talk, okay? Not wa, we're going over the dialect pronunciations. So oo, for example, أنا جوعان و عطشان. تمام؟ أنا جوعان و عطشان. I am hungry, جوعان و عطشان. أنا عطشان صراحة. عطشان. أنا عطشان. اوكي انا هلا مش عطشان. So انا مش عطشان لانه هلا شربت مي. I just drank water, شربت مي. فانا مش عطشان بس انا جوعان. لسه جوعان. I'm still hungry or I'm hungry. انا جوعان. فانا مش عطشان بس جوعان. بس super simple. But bas. Now again in standard Arabic, a little bit different. It's lakin, completely different word. Lakin. In spoken Arabic, bas, and you will hear this all the time, regardless of the type of Arabic. I think this is like around in all dialects, the word bas, and it can also mean only or just. So, but again, in Levantine dialect, we're focusing on Levantine, particularly Palestinian, Jordanian dialects. These are super common, like all the time. And again, in so many other types of Arabic, oo and bas, like. You're good. You're gonna start hearing these all the time. Ooh, bas, okay? Switching over, what else do we have? So, we have the word so. Not so much as in like when you're saying something, so and then or therefore. So, you're gonna hear native speakers use this all the time. مثلا, for example, أنا كنت جوعان. I was hungry. أنا كنت جوعان. بس بعدين أكلت. فأنا هلا now مش جوعان. Of course, feminine version would end in an a or a, so جوعانة or جوعانة. So typically in the Levant will end in an a. So there are instances where we end in a, but more about that later. But female would say أنا مش جوعانة. Okay, so my sentence was أنا أكلت I ate هلا now أنا مش جوعان. I'm not مش جوعان. Okay, and usually a lot of times, listen, if you're responding to something and you want to tell a story, even in English, like so they went here, they did that, and then, okay, so these kind of so and then kind of go hand in hand. بعدين, which is our next one, بعدين and then, okay, or then, later. This can also mean later. بعدين, later on, or later. خليها بعدين. Keep it for later. Okay? Even now, I say it without even realizing. Like I'll slip in some Arabic words when I'm saying things in English, especially if I know there's people that know Arabic that are listening to me. Like right now, I just said fa. Okay? It's a filler word as well. Great, excellent word to know, and you will start hearing this, I guarantee it, if you are living in an Arabic speaking country or you have Arabic relatives or friends, what have you. So, okay? And then بعدين, typically coupled, like I said, with fa or u, or you can use it with bas. تمام? You can say something like احنا رحنا, we went, احنا رحنا على المطعم. احنا رحنا على المطعم. We went to the restaurant. رحنا على المطعم. وبعدين and بعدين رحنا على السينما. احنا رحنا على المطعم. We went to the restaurant. رحنا على المطعم. بعدين رحنا على السينما. Okay? في أي أسئلة? Are there any questions? في أي أسئلة? Now try to, like I said, use these in any time or any opportunity you have to practice Arabic. Super easy. Is and you will hear this, like I said. بس بعدين. بس بعدين. بعدين later or and then. وبعدين blah blah blah. So you're telling a story. This is what happened. وبعدين هيك وبعدين هيك. And then like this and then like that. Stuff like that. تمام? Let me know in the comments how, if you use these words, if you haven't, what level of Arabic are you? And if there's any questions, also let me know in the comments. وإذا في اقتراحات, if there are any suggestions, إذا في أي اقتراحات احكوا لي بالcomments. وبشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.